So we're going to finish this letter C, and hopefully you've already done it so that you can check my work. Or some of you said, no, I want to wait, which is fine with me. Letter C, there's your graph of your linear equation, your straight line. They give you the coordinates. They give you your points. I'm going to use my rise over run. And I'm going to start up here at the top. To get from this point down, notice I said down, to this point, I have to go down, I said down again, 1, 2, 3. I think if I did that right. 1, 2, 3. So because I went down, your rise is a -3. And remember, I told you, you're always running to the right. So I'm going to run 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the right. So my rise over run is -3/6. But you have to simplify your fraction. So I would prefer that you say m is -1/2. That's your m. The second thing we need, is my y-intercept. Well, my y-intercept is right here because this is the point that crosses the y-axis. So to figure out what this point is, I've just got to figure out, well, what number is this? Well, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since I went up, that's a +5. My b is 5. So my equation of this line is -1/2 x plus b. So that's my equation. You will do a plenty of these, ladies and gentlemen, a plenty. So you're going to have to make sure you get it right. Now the last thing on the bottom of your page says, what if you're given the 2 points but no graph? Because you know what? That may happen. You're not always going to get your graph, but they may give you the coordinates of the 2 points. So here's what you do, and I want you to write this down. You still have to find your m and your b. So to find m, you must use the slope formula. You have no choice because you don't have a graph to do rise over run. So to find your slope, you've got to use the slope formula. Label your points, find the slope, simplify it, that's your m. The second thing that you're going to have to do, and this is only a condition that will be for probably this unit. We're going to change it up a little bit in a couple of weeks. But usually, if you are given no graph, one of the points will be, and I'm going to underline will and be, your y-intercept. And I'm going to say for now, because in a couple of weeks, when we get into second semester, get our feet and we're right up in it, you're not going to be given this option. You're going to have to solve for the y-intercept. But for now, one of the points will be your y-intercept. How will you know that? Because your y-intercept will always have your x as 0. And whatever that number is, that's your b. Okay? So we're going to turn the notes over to the back side and we will practice how you find the equation of the line with 2 points but no graph.